Hi, I'm Laura Bracken. This month-long online beginners class will teach you how to take better photographs of your jewelry in 3 comprehensive sections. In the first section, I'll help you understand your camera and its capabilities, no matter what type of camera you're using, including cell phones. In the second section, we'll talk about the setup, and I'll be showing you some tips and tricks to create a staging for online sales or show applications. I'll also help you get a great photo on the first try. In the third section, we'll discuss photo editing. My goal is to have you in and out of editing as soon as possible because with better photos comes less editing. Because there's so many variables involved in taking a photo, from the camera to the setup and then the photo editing software, my focus will be less on the specifics of which button to push under what circumstances and more on the overall ideas and concepts behind getting a good photo so that everyone can succeed no matter what they're using. Those who've taken my classes before or downloaded tutorials of mine already know that I have a very hand-holding approach to teaching. This class is well suited for those who've been struggling to get a good photo of their jewelry, or who take 20 pictures of each piece of jewelry, or who spend more than 5 minutes editing a photo. One of the 2 bonuses included in this class is that everyone will have the opportunity to submit an image for critique, and I will be creating video demos as I edit these photos, showing and discussing the process step by step. The second bonus is that if you like, I'll take your logo and prepare it so that you can add it to your images without any background coloring. So compare the logos in these 2 images. On the left is before I've created the special logo without the background, and on the right is afterwards. Class starts February 15th and ends March 18th. At the start of class, you'll get access to multiple instructional videos that may be watched at any time and in any order during the 30 days, as many times as you like. Those will be accessible until March 18th. You'll also receive a handout with highlights of what we're learning. Everyone will be encouraged to join a private Facebook group page that I've set up for this class. While it's not necessary to join the Facebook group, sharing and discussing with others will really enrich the learning experience, and it's highly recommended. At the end of the month, the group page will still be accessible so that students may share progress, ask questions, and gather inspiration for as long as they like. The only thing unavailable after the class ends will be the videos. In section 1 of my instructions, we're going to be familiarizing ourselves with the camera, so we'll talk about macro settings, self-timer, ISO, spot metering, white balance, shooting range, resolution, and aperture. In the second section, we're going to cover the photography setup, so we'll talk about where to shoot, diffused lighting, lighting types, the light tint, backgrounds, types of shots, the layout, props and models, invisible help, and gray cards. In the final section, we'll be talking about photo editing. So we'll cover the different softwares, basic controls, image size, resolution, cropping, correcting color, changing the background, adjusting the lighting, adjusting contrast, removing fuzz or other things that you don't want in the photo, adding a border, adding text, logo, or a watermark. So that's about it. I look forward to helping you on this journey to improve your jewelry photographs. If you have any questions prior to the class or prior to signing up for the class, just contact me through my website at www.brackendesigns.com. See you there.